2009 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.